Paano kung sabihin ko sa'yo na hindi talaga rare ang mga diamonds? Alam mo ba na there is one company that controls 90% of the supply of diamonds, and this is the company, De Beers, no? So what happened kasi, and sila yung reason bakit ka bumibili ng diamonds kung gusto mo mag-propose sa asawa mo, or gusto mong, if you wanna show love, and you buy diamonds, this is the reason why, okay? It's because of their marketing. And the reason why masasabi ko hindi talaga siya rare kasi it's basically just rocks. And di talaga siya rare. Of course, medyo scarce siya in resource, pero mas rare pa yung other, like for example, gold, silver, compared to diamonds. Pero bakit mas mahal yung diamond? It's because they control all the supply. They realize kasi, anong nangyari kasi nito, no? Over a century ago, they found a lot of diamonds in South Africa. And they know na if madidistribute to, babagsak yung mga diamonds. So what they did, they bought the company that found all those diamonds, and they just hid all of those diamonds in a vault. Until today, all those diamonds are still in the vault, and they're basically controlling supply. So the reason bakit mahal yung diamonds is because they're not necessarily scarce, they just made it scarce, okay, by controlling supply. So how do you apply this to your own business? If ikaw kasi yung negosyo mo easily accessible, no? And you know, what do you mean easily accessible? Like for example, you offer something premium, and then like you accept as many clients, walang some sort of scarce resource. Now, mananotice mo sa restaurant, 'di ba? Yung restaurant na malalakas, there's a scarce resource, which is yung number of capacity, number of seats. Pero just imagine if the capacity is unlimited. I don't think it would perform that well. But because the capacity is limited, unahan, right? So you wanna ask yourself, how can you, even though you have a lot of supply, how can you make it feel to the customer that you have limited supply so that you can jack up prices? And this is basically how luxury brands operate, no? They control the supply. They control the supply, so they can jack up prices. So in your case, possible the reason bakit mumurahin ka pa rin, no? And you can't increase prices, it's because probably parang kina-communicate mo sa client mo na unlimited yung supply mo.